Hello student, now again the concentration term part. The next part is the molality after molarity. Now there is a difference between molarity and molality. This is what molality represented by small m, but in molarity represented by capital M. Now if you have molal solution, देखो MOLAL, तो molal means what? Molality. If you have molar solution, MOLAR, it means you have molarity. So okay, now the same type of definition, there is a small changes. Number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 kg of solvent, but in molarity number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution. Here the difference is what? 1 kg of solvent. Okay, now it is represented by small m. The simple formula, number of moles of solute divided by weight of solvent in kg, but in molarity volume of solvent in liter, है ना, volume of solution in liter, but in molality weight of solvent in kg. Now again you convert number of moles into mass upon molecular mass. So now here the same formula, mass of solute upon molecular mass of solute into volume of solvent in kg. Clear? Now the unit is what? Mole per kg. So mole divided by kg. Okay. Now what is the meaning of molarity? Suppose you have 3 molal aqueous solution of HCl. So what is the meaning of 3 molal aqueous solution of HCl? It means 3 moles of HCl are present in 1 kg of solvent. Suppose you have 5 molal of aqueous solution of H2SO4, suppose. So now in this case it means 5 moles of H2SO4 are present in 1 kg of solvent. Okay, clear? Now I have a question numerical for molality. 20 gram of NaOH dissolved in 100 gram of solution. Okay, so there is a 100 gram of solution. So first you find mass of solvent. So mass of solvent, you know very well, mass of solvent is what? Mass of solution into minus mass of solute, है ना? So mass of solution is what? 100 and mass of solute is 20. It means 80 gram. So this is a 80 gram of weight of solvent. Okay, so now in this case you have a formula of molality. Molality is equals to the second formula, this formula. Mass of solute is what? 20. Molar mass of NaOH, so just you find molar mass or molecular mass, same, molar mass of NaOH. Na is what? 23, oxygen is what? 16 and hydrogen is 1. It means 40. Okay, so molecular mass is what? 40 and the weight of solvent is what? 80. This is gram. You convert into kg, so divided by 1000. So now again molality 20 into 1000, 1000 ऊपर चला जाएगा, and now there is a 40 into 80, 0 0 cancel, 4 5s are 20, ठीक है, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, so 25 divided by 4, it means what? 6.25 mole per kg. Clear? Okay, now here again this next numerical, if 0.85 gram, it means mass of solid is given, of NH3 liquid is dissolved in 100 ml of solution. Okay, find molality. So there is a volume. So first you can convert mass of solution is equals to volume of solution into density of solution. So volume of solution is what? 100 and density is 1.2 is what? 120 gram. Yeah, so this is a mass of solution. Now you convert. Now you find mass of solvent. Yeah, the mass of solvent is what? Mass of solution 120 and minus mass of solute 0.85. So there is a 119.15 gram. So this is a mass of solvent. Okay, now here the molality formula again. Mass of solute is what? 0.85. Okay, molecular mass of NH3, you know the molecular mass of NH3, and N is what? This is molar mass of NH3 N is what? 14, and there is a 3 hydrogen, it means 317. So there is a 0.85 divided by 17 into weight of solvent is what? 119.15 divided by 1000, converted into kg na. So molality is equals to 0.85 into 1000 upon 17 into 119.15. Now the answer is what? 0.419 and approximately 0.42 mole per kg. Clear? Now the next is relation between molarity and molality. Now here the formula, just you learned, molality is equals to molarity upon density minus molarity into molecular mass of solute divided by 1000. Okay, now here the question is based on this relation. Find molarity of 3 molar, this is a molarity of aqueous HCl solution. Density of solution is 1.2 gram per ml. Okay, find molality of 3 molar HCl solution, aqueous solution. Okay, density is given. So now again you find mass of solution is equals to volume of solution into density of solution. So okay, so now there is no work of this because density is already given in the question. So just you write down the formula. Molality is equals to, molality is given 3. Now the density is what? 1.2 minus molarity again 3, and the molar mass of HCl, the H is what? Molar mass of HCl is what? Hydrogen is 1 and Cl is 35.5. It means 36.5. So there is a 36.5. The formula is here na, molecular mass of solute divided by 1000. Okay, so just you convert 1.2 minus 3 into what? 36.5. It was 109.5 divided by 1000. Okay, so LCM is what? LCM is what? 1000. So 1000 into 1.2 is what? 1200. And the same for 109.5. So now 3 into 1000 and 1200 minus 109.5 is what? 1090.5. So this is a 3000 divided by 1090.5. So 3000 divided by 1090.5. The answer is what? 2.751. And the unit is what? Molality, mole per kg. So this is a small video based on the molality. Okay, thank you.